Hello. Oh my God, my voice. I felt like I said hello and it was like croaking. I'm gonna drink some coffee. Oh my gosh, I should edit that out, but I'm not going to, because why would I? I wanted to make this. I kind of like told you guys before, but you know, I don't know if you guys actually listen to me or not. I wanted to do this into kind of like a piece of pottery looking. So I mixed up some gray. Let me move this over. There we go. So I mixed up some gray. I should put it. Oh my gosh, where can I put it that you guys? I don't think you guys can see it both. See it? Look, see there it is. It's gray. Anyway, I promise it's gray. It's a very light gray. It may not look as translucent as it should be, but I mixed it with Mod Podge because, yeah, that makes sense to me, and a little water. And so I was going to glaze over this. So, make sure there's nothing on it. I don't think there is. I know you see crusties of red around the edges. I don't care. I will trim that later. So that's the other side. So I'll trim that later. I'm just not going to trim it right now. So all I'm going to do on this is very quickly go over and glaze it, maybe, with a light touching of gray, and see what that does to it. And if I hate it later, I can always repaint it blue, because, yeah. Repainting is an option. I am gonna... twirl things, because I always do. Is it going to the edge? Gotta make sure it goes to the edge. I don't know if this is glazing or not. I really don't want the brush strokes to show, but they definitely are. Maybe I should use a bigger brush? Probably. I thought this would be a good brush because it holds a lot. And I know this is not a full coverage brush, but you know, whatever. Anyway, the thought was that this would give this blue kind of that gray tint that you get when you're looking at pottery. It's always got like, it's not like, you know, oh man, I don't know if I like it. Maybe I should have made it more translucent. And I don't know. I don't know what it's going to dry like. But I wanted it to be a lot more translucent, kind of just glazy. But I'm definitely seeing, where I am anyway, a lot of brush strokes. I don't know how I feel about the brush strokes. Maybe I should have rolled it on? I don't know. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. I just have an idea in my head of what I want. And I'm trying to accomplish it. So I just want it to be a particular, like, color. And I guess I could have mixed a grayish blue, but I didn't want to. I wanted it to actually look like it had some dimension. So I don't know if I should have made, you know what? Maybe I should have Mod Podged it first. That would have been interesting. And then put the glaze over. Would that have worked? I don't know. Y'all tell me. But that's okay. I mean, I'm trying this here. Because I kinda would love to do a big one. But I don't know if I want to do a big one right now of what I'm thinking until I try it on the little one. 'Cause, you know. That's what I'm doing. I'm experimenting on little canvases. So if I ever want to do on a big canvas, because big canvases are more expensive than the little ones. So there's that. Okay, I'm going to let this dry. That was probably really entertaining for you all. Your video of the day gets to be me painting a gray wash on a blue surface. Yeah. Okay. See you later.